on a bedtime planet hop. From sleepy Saturn to cozy plop, brushing teeth and counting sheep, each planet's getting ready to sleep. So close your eyes, the sky's your map, next stop a snuggly spacey nap.
Imagine creating fun animated videos for kids that get watched by millions, all from your laptop in minutes and without spending a dime. Sounds unreal, right? Well, what if I told you it's not only real, it's easier than ever thanks to AI. Channels like Cocomelon, who have built entire empires around this. With over 194 million subscribers and videos racking up billions of views, they're making as much as $76 million a year. Just think about that. You've probably seen these channels. Colorful, playful, packed with fun songs and stories. But here's the twist. What used to take entire teams of writers, animators, and musicians, you can now do solo in under 10 minutes or so for free. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step method to create your own kid's music video from scratch, using AI tools anyone can access, even if you have zero experience. Let's dive in. Step 1. Come up with a fun song idea. Head over to chat.openai.com. To make a catchy animated kids song, the first thing you need is a fun and simple idea. And that's where ChatGPT comes in and types something like, "Give me 5 fun and original ideas for animated kids songs." Take a look at the list it gives you. Pick the one that stands out or feels exciting to turn into a video. Not seeing a favorite? No worries. You can ask for more ideas. Once you've found your winning idea, it's time to move on to the lyrics. For that, just type something like, "Write a fun rhyming kids song based on Bedtime Planet Hop." From number 5 of the idea generated, boom! Your lyrics are ready with nice output. Now we're cooking. Let's bring them to life in the next step. Step 2. Turn your lyrics into a catchy song with AI. We'll be using a powerful tool called Suno AI, which makes generating kids' songs insanely simple, even if you've never made music before. Start by heading over to suno.com. Sign up for a free account, or log in using Google. It only takes a few seconds. Once you're in, click on Create, then select Custom Mode. Now that our lyrics are ready, it's time to bring them to life with music so we can build our song from scratch. Head back to ChatGPT, copy the lyrics, and take it to Google Doc or any text editor of your choice. All you need to do is remove the irrelevant by deleting this. Do the same for the rest. We're just going to fast things up. When you are done, now copy your lyrics. Next, paste your lyrics into the provided text box. Now here comes the fun part, picking the sound style. This step is crucial. If you choose the wrong vibe, your fun kid's song might accidentally sound like a punk rock anthem. To keep it playful and child-friendly, use soft, cheerful instruments. Think something like nursery rhyme, piano, harmonica, xylophone, flute, acoustic guitar, and light drums. These work great for kids' content. Once your lyrics and style are set, give your song a title. For this example, let's say we're calling it Bedtime Planet Hop. Now just hit Generate and let the AI work its magic. In just a few moments, Suno will create 2 unique versions of your song. Take a listen to both. They'll sound polished and professional. Choose the one you like best and download it. And that's it for Step 2. Your music is ready. Now let's jump into Step 3, creating the visuals. Now it's time to bring the visuals to life. And we're going to do it using an AI tool called Hailuo AI, which makes generating animated videos super easy. Start by heading over to the Hailuo AI website. You'll find the link in the description. If you don't already have an account, sign up or log in. Before we jump into creating the video, we'll need to prepare short scene-by-scene prompts based on the lyrics of our song. For that, ChatGPT is incredibly helpful. Go back to ChatGPT from where we left it and type something like, "Generate simple animation prompts for each scene of a kid's song titled Bedtime Planet Hop." In just a few seconds, you'll get customized visual prompts, one for each line or verse of your song. Now head back to Hailuo AI and click the video button to open the workspace. From there, choose the text-to-video option. This allows you to turn those written prompts into animated clips. Paste in your first prompt. For better and more consistent visuals, I recommend starting each one with a phrase like Disney Pixar animation style. This helps ensure a uniform look throughout all your scenes. You don't need to tweak the model's settings. The default works just fine. You can also choose how many clips you want generated at once. I will just leave it at 1. Once everything's set, hit Generate, and Hailuo will get to work. Each clip typically takes a short time to render, and the results are surprisingly high quality, colorful, expressive, and playful. However, keep in mind that each clip is limited to 6 seconds in duration. To make longer scenes, you have two solid options. Regenerate multiple clips using the same prompt. Hailuo AI adds slight variations every time. Modify your prompt slightly to add variety, like changing the character's action or the background. Example, instead of a cat dancing on a planet, try a cat spinning joyfully on a colorful alien world. Repeat this process for each scene until you have a full set of visuals for your song. Once your animation clips are ready, we'll move on to combining everything into one complete video. Now moving on to step 4, merging the song with the visuals. Now that we have both the music and visuals ready, it's time to stitch them together into a complete video. You can use any video editing software you prefer, but for this walkthrough, I'll be using CapCut. It's free, beginner-friendly. That gets the job done perfectly. Start by launching CapCut and importing all your animated clips along with the audio track you created earlier. Then drag your song onto the timeline. This will act as the foundation for arranging your visuals. Set your project aspect ratio to 16:9. This is the standard format for YouTube. Next, start aligning your video clips with the rhythm and lyrics of the song. The goal here is to match the visuals with the flow of the audio, so take your time and make sure each scene transitions smoothly into the next. Once you've placed all your clips in the right order, play through the timeline to double-check pacing and add transitions for all clip. Make adjustments wherever needed for a seamless flow. Now let's add the final polish, on-screen lyrics. Including captions is a great idea for kids' content since it encourages engagement and makes it easier for children to sing along. Head over to the text section in CapCut and choose the Auto Captions feature or select any one from the template. It will automatically generate subtitles based on the audio. The results might not be perfect, so be sure to clean them up. Fix any incorrect words, adjust the size for readability, make sure the text appears in sync with the lyrics, and just like that, your animated kids' music video is complete. Preview the final version and watch how everything comes together, and hit export. Wasn't that amazing? And the best part, you can do it too. Starting your own animated kids channel has never been more achievable. It's fun, fast, and practically free. If this helped you, drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered content creation tips. Until next time, keep creating.
First we visit Planet Zoo, where robots yawn beneath the moon. They read their books and dim the lights, then dream